Change or create a new flock standard. Click on Standards. Choose the standard you want to change. Make sure the Auto EPF and Min-Max are checked. Click Export. Check that Min-Max in the export window. Browse to the folder you wish to save the standard and name the export file. Click Export and open the data file. Change the fields you want to alter, in this case high range feed and water to +30%. Save the file and import to the new standard. Click Generate. Check the changes have been made. To allocate against a particular flock, click Flocks in the Data Entry window and choose Breed and Standard. Click Save. Check the standard changes are reflected in the flock charts.